Let's look at our content objective. Can you read this with me, please? I can determine where in the world major religions are practiced. How about this one? Determine. I can determine something. Anybody heard that word before? What do you think it means if you look at the clues here?
I can do it, find it.
I can do it, I can find out. Yeah, I can find out or I can figure out. I like that. Where the major religions are practiced. That means where people are followers of a certain religion. Okay? Well, that's what we're going to find out. We're going to use the website to find that out. Okay? Any questions about the objectives? So because we are beginning this unit on world religions, I wrote up an agreement or rules that I'd like to talk about for our discussions on religion. And you guys can look at these with me. That I've written down. Now, this is an opportunity for us if we need to change any of these or add something, we could do that. But as we talk about religion, because religion is something that is very personal to people and is very important to people, we just want to make sure as we talk about them that we follow a few rules about talking about religion. And again, this is not a religion class, right? We're talking about the history of religion and the role of religion, how it influenced events in history, right? So could you please follow along? I'm just going to read this first sentence, and then I'm going to ask for volunteers to help with the next three.
Okay.
As we study the history of religions, we have these rules for both students and teachers. Okay, could I have a volunteer to read the first one, please? A few volunteers. Ardo, go ahead, please.
Our goal is to understand the religion beliefs of the other, but we will not extend belief on the other.
Right, we will not force beliefs on others, right? Thank you, Ardo. So our goal is to understand religious beliefs of especially these major religions, but we're not going to tell somebody else what they should believe. How would anybody here feel if somebody else was telling them what they had to believe? Would you like that?
No.
I know, I wouldn't like that. I like to make up my own mind and have my own beliefs. How do you feel about this first one? Do we need to change anything? Do you feel comfortable with this one? We're going to try to understand other religious ideas, but we're not going to try to change anybody's beliefs on it. Does that seem fair?
Yes.
Okay.